So today, let me just take off this cap. Okay. Today, we're gonna be doing something very peculiar. Peculiar. I don't know how to say words, guys. Okay. So today, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make one of your Scratch games. So Scratch is the most basic programming language. But today, I'm gonna show you how to make one of your Scratch games. Like I don't know, like a real app that you can download. This is only for computers though, so you can only get this on a PC or something. I will leave a link in the description for the game that I made, but let's just get into it. So first, you want to go inside the scratch.mit.edu. Also, I want to give credit to some people, hold on, let me check. I want to give credit to Tutorials, and I want to give credit to Rex. So those two are the reason I did this. So Finite Tutorials is another video that this is completely based on, but it's old. It was so long ago that it doesn't work anymore. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make it work again. So first I'm going to have to go inside a random game. So I'm going to go inside this tennis game that I made such a long time ago. Let me just hold on. You go inside it, and then let me just show you guys a little bit how it works. So you have hold on. You have these tennis rackets, and you have to hit the tennis ball. It's very fun. Whatever. This is probably lagging my Scratch. This is probably lagging my recording too because I'm not doing a gaming recording right now. Anyway, you want to go to File. You want to go to Save to your computer. Now it's going to show up tennis.sb3. That's perfectly normal. So now you have to go to the files, and then you're going to have to go to this SB3 to SB2 thing. The link is in the description for you to download that. So make sure to click the link in the description. You can download this SB3 to SB2. So then you just double click on it, and you have to select your SB3 file. And you press it, and you say what you want to name the SB2. So of course I'm going to name it tennis, and you just write tennis and then save. Completed with one warning, whatever. And then now, if you want to, you can already delete the tennis.sb3.
Hello, this is me from the future. I interrupt to say that you need to buy the Gabby Rosa official merch. Link in the description. It is really nice, guys. Check this out. Yeah, boy. On the back, there's subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. So make sure to cop this beautiful merch, guys. It's gonna be out. Also, I don't have it yet, but we have the new granny merch, which is awesome. So make sure to go to bit.do/GabbyRosa54, and you can cop the granny merch or the Gabby Rosa merch. Just cop any merch because the merch is lit. Anyway, back to the video.
And then now you want to go to another tab on the internet. You want to type in Junebeetle. So actually, just click the link in the description too. Fine. You want to be lazy? Just click the link in the description. Okay. So now you're on Junebeetle. After you click the link in the description, but make sure you have the SB2 already, not the SB3 file, because the Junebeetle. The reason the old video doesn't work anymore is because the SB2 is the old version of Scratch. The second version of Scratch now is the third version of Scratch, which is why it's SB3. And the Junebeetle is not updated for SB3s, so you need to convert it to SB2. But everything will stay the same, trust me. So now you want to click on your tennis, whatever game you made, .sb2, and you want to click the options. There are some options, like full screen, so when you start the game, will it be on full screen? The green flag, so when you're playing Scratch, you see there's these green and red thing. That's if you want that to show. I don't want that to show. Automatically start, yes. It's when you click on it, does it automatically start? I never actually seen what happens if you don't do that. But and also if you want to hide mouse, I want to hide it because it makes it look better in mine. But you have to do it depending on how good, depending on your game. Okay. Let's convert it right here. And now you actually have to write something specific. You have to write, well, whatever the name of your game is, of course, but then you have to write .swf. If you don't write .swf, I promise you this will not work, okay? So now it will, after you press enter, it will save. And now you just have to go to your files. And then, as you can see, there's a tennis. You have to check if there's like whatever the name of your game is, and then SWF. So then now, what you have to do is you have to, again, click the link in the description, okay? So I actually lost this link, so I'm going to have to go back to it. I'll be back in a second. Okay, guys, we're here. So now look, you have to go to this website. I don't know what it's called. Whatever. I can't pronounce all of this. Just click the link in the description. All right. It's called Swftools, and you just download it. Since I already downloaded it, I can't show you. So so you just have to download and do all the steps that I just told you. Now, here's the folder that I just got. So you have to click on the folder, and you have to go to this after it's extracted. Make sure it's extracted, because if it's not extracted, this will not work. But then you have to click on this thing, the SWF, everything, all the weird stuff. Now it's going to take you to this. Since this is a file that they already have set up for you, it's like a little playing game that's the default game on this app. But you want to press clear input so you can make a new one, and you press add a file, and you click the whatever game it is. So mine is tennis.swf, so I'm going to click that and open. Now I just have to click convert. Now it should say, hold on, yeah. So it has to say whatever like the location is, and then if it says success at the end, that means it worked. If it says anything else, that means you did something wrong. Now, after it's like worked, you have to click on the folder again, go to SSWF.exe converter, click output, and this is your finished game. Let's see if it works. Here, see? So now I can play tennis. I can play my game without having to go on the Scratch website. Also, if you want to download this game, it's in the link in the description. You can download the computer version. So if you want to download the computer version where it's actually like an app, then the link will be in the description. If you want to get the website because you're using like an iPad or something, then just go to scratch.mit.edu and search up Gabby Rosa 54 in the search bar. You should find this game. Okay. But anyway, that was the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day. I hope you create your own games on Scratch and make them into a real game. But anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.